Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd love to show you a brand new inventory piece of ours. It is a Sea Ray 2026 310 SLX. As you can see, we have her equipped in the full horizon hull color, the beautiful black accent stripe. Complements our black rub rail with a stainless steel insert, as well as our black twin 350 Mercury V10 Verados to power this boat. Let's hop inside and check out some more features. Now that we're on board the 2026 Sea Ray 310 SLX, allow me to point out a few more key features. Here on the port side, we do have a side entry step. So easy way to be able to fold it down in the water, allow yourself another access point to board as opposed to the starboard side ladder. We also have fender clips as well. Easy place to be able to put your fenders and lock them into place. As far as enjoying this boat on the transom here, we have a nice large sun pad. We do have flip up backrests that lock into place on both sides, so allow you to be able to enjoy the water while also not having to lay. We do have a Fusion stereo control here as well, so you don't even have to leave to return to the helm to adjust the volume, and also a 12-volt plug. We do have cup holders here at the back, and then as we move forward into the cockpit area, we do have very nice gray sea deck throughout the entire boat. As I move forward here, our battery switches will be located right here, along with the freshwater sprayer. We do have a dedicated cooler storage right here as well that is drained. As we enter in to the cockpit, if you were to try to board from this starboard side, you do have a step right here to be able to get over the gunnel and have an easy access point there. Do have a switch here to be able to open up our engine hatch to be able to access the full bilge, and also it provides great storage for those longer hauls. Here on the hardtop, we do have a ski tow mounted to the top, so if you wanted to do any water sports, you'd be able to tow from this fiberglass hardtop, as well as an automatic shade that deploys and will go all the way to the engine cowlings as well. As you enter into this entertainment area, it's a great space to be able to seat all the friends that you would like, and then also be able to entertain at our wet bar area with our Kenyan grill, as well as our freshwater sink. We have storage over here as well that is drained. Underneath our grill, we do have our refrigerator as well from Dometic, and then we have a nice slot here for our little trash can. All the tools to be able to entertain all of your guests while out on the water. Sea Ray does a great job of providing you the tools to do so. Would also like to point out the hand stitching that Sea Ray does. Very great design, nice pattern. They do a great job with all of their interiors. We do have some 12-volt plugs, or some 110 cables, excuse me, to be able to plug up some things as well. Got our Fusion stereo system throughout. As we pointed out that head system at the back, we also have our main unit right here and our speakers throughout. As we get to the helm, we have our steering wheel on a tilt base. We do have our trim tabs set up. We have our upgraded Mercury binnacle that has active trim. We also have our joystick pilot system that comes with those 350 V10s, able to maneuver your boat along with autopilot and the skyhook features as well. Right here we have our controls for our spotlight that is mounted to our fiberglass hardtop, and then also our twin 12-inch Simrad displays as well. So we move to the port side here. We do have a nice spacious head down below that is vacuum flushed with a macerator. Also have our freshwater sink in there. So this system does have an overboard discharge if you are to get far enough offshore. Have a nice glove box storage here. And as we move up to the bow, would like to point out that we can cut off this area with our lock in place here and then also our flip over windshield. So great to be able to extend our boating season by a few months. As we have this door open, we also have access to another switching panel as well. So all of our breakers and everything there for us to be able to access. Do have a windshield wiper here at the helm, so if you do get caught in a rainstorm, you're able to wipe off the windshield for yourself. Here at the bow, more great entertainment space. We have 2 large seats. I'm 6'4" for reference, so plenty of space to be able to stretch out for multiple adults. As you can see here, we do have an insert for a side bow table that is teak. Underneath here, we have large, almost ski locker storage, maybe a little bit smaller than that, but still plenty of space to be able to store loose items while underway. We also have great storage underneath each side as well. That is where we have our teak table stowed currently. We also have the bow filler cushion option here, so you can make this entire area a full sun pad if you would like. Have a freshwater sprayer here to complement our Anchor windlass that has controls at the helm as well as up here with our remote. Navigation lights, and then that spotlight that I spoke about earlier. It is mounted on the bow as opposed to the hardtop, as I mentioned earlier. If you'd like to learn more about this Sea Ray 310 SLX or anything else that we offer here at MarineMax, feel free to check us out on MarineMax.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.